Hello YouTube family, how are you all? Today I'm going to share a very nice costume idea for kids, and it's a butterfly costume idea. So let's see how I made it, and first I will show you and tell you the things you will need: glittery sheet, hot glue gun, big cardboard, and a marker to draw butterfly wing. Let's draw it like this, and later on you will cut it. Draw a wing on one side. This is right side wing of the butterfly. Now cut it. Okay, now we will draw left wing of the butterfly, and we will draw it the same size, you can see. And now we will cut it. And let me tell you one thing, that I have made double piece of these wings. I have like this because I wanted to make it firm and strong, so that it will not be shaky costume. And because I'm making it with cardboard, so that's why I'm making it double. The wing pieces are double, you can see. So now I will join it together, and it will give a very nice butterfly look already, you can see. So now I will join it with a piece of cardboard like this with the help of hot glue. As I told you, you will need hot glue. And now I will join it like this in front side and back side as well. Now we will color it in black, because my butterfly costume is black. So let's color it like this, and cut the small pieces, round pieces of white paper, and apply it like this. I have cut very small circle shape of white paper, and I'm making texture and making different patterns of the butterfly body. So you can see I'm giving outline with white paper. And now I will use glittery sheet and this paper, and I'm using colored papers. And now I will cut different shapes and different patterns to fill the butterfly body, the butterfly costume. You will paste all these designs, paper design patterns, with the help of hot glue, you can see. I'm telling you each and every detail of this costume, so that it will be helpful for you to make it. I am also showing you the papers which I have used in this costume, and you can see how I'm cutting in different patterns and different shapes. And I hope it's very helpful for you. And you guys already liked my another costume. This is a fish costume, and thank you so much YouTube for liking it. And I hope you will like this costume as well. You will cut teardrop shape of glittery sheet like this, and you can see I'm pasting it. And trying to make the butterfly body, butterfly designs. Now you will take a thick thread and you will attach it on the face of this butterfly, and it will be easy to wear it for the kids. You can see, I will show you how I'm going to attach this thread like this. The costume is ready, and thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe our channel, and for more amazing crafts, activities and projects. Thank you. Bye bye.